Hello everyone. Welcome in Module 1 of Chapter 1 Crop Production and Management. As we all know, food is the main source of energy for our body to perform daily activities. We get food from both plants and animals. Food has to be produced on large scale to meet everyone's requirement. So let's have a look on the topics we are going to cover under this chapter. And here they are. But in this module, we are going to talk about agriculture, crops, type of crops, and agricultural implements. So let's discuss these topics in detail. Agriculture is the term which originates from Latin words. Agar means field and culture means cultivation. Agriculture is the science that deals with growing crops and rearing animals for human use. And crops are the same kind of plants grown on a large scale in a field, such as wheat and rice. A vast variety of crops are grown in different parts of India. Depending upon the season, there are two main types of crops. Rabi crop is sown in winter season from October to March. Wheat, gram, peas, mustard are few examples. The next type of crop is the Kharif crop, which is sown in rainy season from June to September. Paddy, maize, soybean are few examples of Kharif crop. Zaid crop is sown in between the Rabi and Kharif crops in summer season from March to June. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are few examples of Zaid crop. Various tools are required during the agricultural practices and which are called agricultural implements. They are plow, hoe, trowel, harrow, seed drill and cultivator. Let's talk about them in detail. So here we start with the plow, which is being used since ancient time. This is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals such as horses and camels. Plow is used for loosening and turning of soil. It contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. The main part of plow is a long log of wood which is called plow shaft. There is a handle at one end of shaft. The other end is attached to a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. Nowadays, plowing is done with tractor-driven cultivators, which saves time and labor. Another kind of important implement is hoe, which is used for removing weeds and loosening soil. It consists of long rod of wood or that may be of iron too. A strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed at one end of the long rod, which acts like a blade. At other end of the rod is a beam which is placed on bullock's neck. Next we have trowel and harrow, which are used for loosening soil and removing weeds simultaneously. Another very important agricultural tool is the seed drill, which is used for sowing the seeds. It consists of a set of long vertical tubes with a funnel shaped seed bowl at the top. Seeds are placed in this seed bowl. As the plow moves, it makes furrow in the soil and seeds are sown. That's all for today. Let's recap what we learned. So now we know the plants grown in large quantities are called crop plants. The product of cultivated plants is called a crop produce. Large scale cultivation of vegetables, fruits and flower plant is called horticulture. The crops sown in October and harvested in March are called Rabi crops. Wheat, gram, barley are few examples. Kharif crops are sown in June and harvested in September. Rice, maize, groundnut are few examples. We also know about agricultural implements. That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day ahead.